What? That is crazy. Hey everyone, welcome back if you're returning. I hope you're having a great day. My name is Bobby. I've been doing daily drawing since 2017, and this is part of my daily YouTube challenge. And today's topic is actually directly related to that. So yeah, if you're new around here, I have been doing daily drawing since 2017, and today is actually day 1300, which is kind of mind-boggling to me. I kind of wanted to talk about that just a little bit, and kind of go back to the very beginning. Obviously this isn't kind of like some big even number kind of milestone like 1500 or 2000, which is gonna happen, I know, but I just wanted to, since it's a nice 1300, like a nice even number, I wanted to take a little bit of time and talk about kind of where I started, because I realized I make a lot of videos on art and a lot of content about art, but I rarely talk about me, and hopefully this will help one of you out there who maybe wants to do art or wants to do more art, so stay tuned. So yeah, back in 2017, on January 1st, for the new year, I spontaneously just decided that, like, hey, I'm gonna start drawing every day. I didn't call it a daily drawing challenge at first, and I just, in my head, decided that I wanted to draw and see if I could do it consistently for like about a week or something, because at the time I was in high school. I was actually doing a lot of artwork, but not every single day, and I realized then at the time that if I wanted to do something more professionally with my art, something more than just high school or college class, like if I wanted to do something like in the field of graphic design or being an artist or an illustrator or a content creator, like that wasn't even in my mind at the point, but like what I'm doing now wasn't even in my head at that point. But I decided that like it might be a good idea to try and like get some sort of consistency. But see, like here's the thing, like back then I had a huge problem with like consistency and procrastination, and I still have a little bit of that procrastination, but regardless, I started drawing and I was confident that it wasn't gonna go anywhere. Like in my head I already thought like, okay, let's try it out for like a couple days, see if I can do like a week maybe, and if I can do a week, and that's fucking incredible, and that's amazing. Like I thought that was like impossible. So I started posting my work on Instagram on January 1st. Basically for like half the month I didn't even call it a challenge. It was like, alright, I'm doing this and I'm doing it somehow. And at the end of that 1 month I was like so astounded that I got through a month. I think I have it somewhere in my folders from different exports, but like I made this, which is a 1 month thank you. Just looking at it now, but hey, it's special. Like it represents something really like personal to me, because like at the time I always had those like issues with like procrastination and like committing to something and then sticking through with it to the final thing. It was always all this messy chaos that kind of discouraged me from like doing anything online socially for a while. You know, and that's why this daily YouTube challenge right now means so much to me, because it's been showing me that like, hey, if I put in the work, I put in the time, I love what I do, and it's coming from a place of real passion, then I can fucking do it. And moving on a little bit past that 1 month, after that 1 month started happening, I was like, alright, cool, I'm gonna keep it going. This is kind of cool. I'm getting likes. I'm getting kind of a little bit of engagement. And when I'm talking about a little bit, I'm talking about a little bit, like 10. Yeah, like I was like absolutely astonished that I was getting somewhere and being consistent. And so like every month I would create those drawings and create something that would like commemorate like, oh, another month. It was just insane. And I thought that like I had the style, like I had this was me, like my scribbly doodle stumbly kind of hatching style. I thought that was what I wanted to do, you know. That's like, I thought that was my style, that's like, it sets me apart, all that kind of stuff. And actually I used the pen so much that I became known as like the pen guy, which is kind of cool. And even after I graduated like a year after I graduated, I still like was meeting like students who were like a couple grades lower than me at art shows that my school put on, and then they're like oh, you're the pen guy. It's like yeah, I don't know how you fucking know that, but yeah. So like I thought that was like my thing, right? And I was like gonna do that like 24/7. Like I was gonna make a career out of it. Not saying you can't, but I was not in like the professional headspace at that time. I'm much more well-rounded now. But yeah, no, it was weird because I thought I found my style, and then I switched styles. I'm like, this is kind of a new thing. I forget what I started doing after the ballpoint pen stuff, but just in recent memory, I had another style switch. Like this year, I've been doing a lot more of the character drawings, like these guys, and delving into a lot more of the raw creative energy that I have. And it's like, I don't know where it's going, but I'm going to keep it going. Because if I stopped my daily drawing challenge after a week, and thinking like, oh, yeah, that was cool, that was it, that's as much as I can do, then I wouldn't be making this video right now. But point in case, there has been so many ups and downs and style switches and points where I doubted myself, or like, oh, I am not this artist. Oh, this is not the artist that I thought I was. This isn't that great, but I'm going to post it anyway. And lots of self-esteem stuff and all that bullshit. But it kept on going. You know, it's something that was constant. It led me to this moment. And yeah, just consistency is key. Doesn't matter what you're doing, what profession you're in, what field you want to go into, what art style you want to go into, painting, digital art, illustration, photography, dance, performance art, anything. In business, and it goes for every fucking thing in your life. Like if you want to make something that's like that turns into something meaningful for you, consistency, bottom line. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. It really means a lot that you made it this far, and since you made it this far, I guess that must mean you like something of what you just saw. So if that is the case, let me know by leaving a like and subscribing to keep up with all this daily content that I've been producing. I will leave the link to all of my other daily YouTube videos this month down in the description, so you can go and binge watch that if you want to. And actually, besides that, leave a comment down below, guys, and tell me if this actually did help you in some way, either with mentality or something like physical that was in your way. I would love to chat with as many of you as possible. If you don't want to, I totally get it, no pressure. If you want to take the conversation off platform to something like Instagram, all that kind of stuff, all my links to all my other socials are down in the description. Let's chat over there, use the social part of social media, maybe. Stay creative, make art. See you tomorrow.